Your first step in factoring anything is to see if your terms have anything in common. So in this problem, I've got 2, 5, 12. Those don't have a common factor, so I can't take anything out. But that should always be your first step, is to check. And if they do have something in common, you're going to take it out and put it out front and leave it there. So because I can't take anything out and I have an a value other than 1, I'm going to do the following. I'm going to multiply my outside numbers, so a times c. That would equal negative 24. So my goal is to find two numbers that multiply to negative 24 and add to positive 5. Those two numbers would be positive 8 and negative 3. Now, if you leave your answer like this, you're totally wrong. Factoring and foiling are opposites from each other. So if I were to FOIL x plus 8x minus 3, the goal is to get 2x squared plus 5x minus 12, but that definitely would not equal my original trinomial. So please do not stop at this step. I see it all the time. You are not done when you write down x plus 8x minus 3. The problem is we still have that 2 in the front. So in order to put the 2 in there, I'm going to divide it out. So what I want you to think about is I started the problem by multiplying the 2 in. I'm going to end the problem by dividing the 2 back out. So you look at 8 and 3 and you think about, are either of these divisible by 2? Does 2 go evenly into either of these numbers? It does. It goes into 8. So what I'm going to do is divide it out of the 8. And by dividing it out of the 8, I'm going to place it in front of the other x in that other factor. Eight divided by 2 is 4, and the 2 moved into the other parentheses, and just like that, I am done. You can always check your work by FOILing back out and seeing if you get back to the original trinomial.